Can we confirm from the Vice President na nag-submit ng accomplishment report sa paggamit ng DepEd confidential funds for 2023 sa Senate President at sa Speaker of the House?
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education have separate mandates. The roles of the Vice President and the Secretary of Education are not intertwined. And Madam Chair, I cannot speak for the Department of Education as I am not the Secretary anymore. Again, Madam Chair, hindi pala DepEd pala ito, no? O sige, tanong mo si DepEd yan.
Honorable Manuel.
Madam Chair, sige kung hindi po niya sasagutin, sa accomplishment report kasi for the first quarter of 2023, nabanggit po doon na yung confidential funds ng DepEd ginamit sa counter-insurgency program, prevention of recruitment by rebel and leftist groups among students and teachers. Meron din, Madam Chair, anti-terrorism programs, including the gathering of necessary information to implement peace and order within DepEd.
Yes. Madam Chair, the invitation for this budget hearing was the budget proposal of fiscal year 2025 of the Office of the Vice President. I request that the questions, Madam Chair, be related to the subject of the budget hearing, which is the OVP 2025 budget proposal. And Madam Chair, you will allow me this because you allowed him to speak about DepEd, which is not related to OVP. According to Kate and Ida, the former secretary of the CPP-NPA's Sub-Regional Committee 5, revealing concerning associations of Representative Raul Manuel with the NPA units in Southern Mindanao, alleging that he visited
Madam Chair, point of order.
City Board, Barangay Daguhoy, Talingon, Davao del Norte in 2017. And his alleged connections with the CPP-NPA coupled with the recruitment activities involving Kabataan Party List. Rendell, who was missing for 11 months and
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair. So,
and came home in a coffin.
yung sinasabi po ng ating Vice President ay allege. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, marites or galing yan sa chismis. So, hindi natin
Galing po
pwede,
ito sa
Madam Chair,
NPA.
ang Office of the Vice President.
Let Chair rule. So, yes, we will take note of the request of our Madam Vice President. Let's stick to our topic.
To all Filipinos, nais ko lang klarohin na ayaw na sagutin ni VP Sara ang patungkol sa confidential funds at pilit pa rin pag-uusapan ni Representatives Raul Manuel ang topic sa confidential funds at si Mr. Manuel din ang nagbukas ng topic patungkol sa confidential funds na ginamit para sa NPA recruitment sa mga paaralan. So, sinagot na ni VP Sara ang katanungan ni Mr. Manuel. Bakit pinipigilan ni Franz Castro? Bakit kayo nasasaktan? Bakit kayo nag-react? Di ba? Sinagot lang naman ni VP Sara ang katanungan ni Mr. Raul Manuel. Di ba? Kayo ang namimilit magtanong. Masakit ba ang katotohanan? Bakit kayo nanggigil sa sagot ni VP Sara? Ganyan kayo. Kayo ang nagsimula ng lahat ng gulo. Kayo rin ang nasaktan sa sagot ni VP Sara. Yan. Bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan, wag magagalit. Sige, magtanong pa kayo ng magtanong. Pagsagutin kayo ni VP Sara. Sanay wag kayong magagalit. Go ahead lang kayo sa mga script nyo. Sayang naman ang pagod ng director sa paggawa ng mga script nyo. Good luck na lang sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye.